Hi guys, I just want to go over this Project Runway Limited Edition PC 420 sewing machine by Brother. Sorry I'm out here in my garage. Just doing it out here right now. Some of the things that come with it. These foot plates. Obviously the manual. And I'm not a sewer, I apologize. I don't know all these things. The person says it works great. Missing the that extension that goes right here, so I can't find it. What's that? Very quiet. Well, very smooth, quiet. I guess the speed button. It's got an automatic cut. Like a feed. I guess that's a feed and an automatic reverse. There you go. It reverses. You got to cut it a couple times. You got to disconnect the foot pedal if I want to go to the automatic mode. Let me do that. Oops. There we go. Just nice and quiet. And I can make it go faster. That's a bit too. I don't want to mess with it because I'm not too familiar with how to set up this sewing machine. It's pretty much for somebody that's aware of how it works. But again, opportunity to have a nice Brother PC 420. Doesn't look like it has a lot of miles on it. Again, I don't have the plate for right here. And I have the box of this. I thought the bottom would, that skirt would be in there, but I guess it's not. So I don't think this is it. No. Alright guys, that's it. If any questions, please contact me. Nice condition.